beginning to look a lot like Christmas. There we go. This is our Christmas video, everybody. Christmas at Lakeside Parkway.
Hello.
Neale's a jolly soul, isn't he? Right, basically, it's been snowing in Lakeside Parkway. There's snow everywhere.
Wow. On one street, anyway.
Neale went a bit crazy. Yeah. We've got police cars, make sure no one kicks off. Ambulances, just in case somebody does kick off. Pink charity fire engine from my pink collection. If you see anything, by the way, the pink collection, send it to me because I'm determined to take over Neale's Madarere pink. Neale's Madarere, it's yours now, apparently. There is Coca-Cola vans everywhere. Neale insisted that we had Coca-Cola sponsors. Please don't write to Coca-Cola because we don't officially have them. We're just pretending we do. They're privileged anyway, aren't they? And they've got Coca-Cola vans. I'm on a creaky chair. I'm really sorry about my shadow in this video because I'm at a really funny angle. Hopefully soon I'll be out of it and then it'll be okay. There's snow everywhere. People are wearing dresses in the snow. Look at that woman there. It must be cold. Anyway, carry on. We have more Coca-Cola vans. I haven't pointed out the lights, they are there. We have these, I made these last year. Incredibly fiddly. But I think they look beautiful. We have the Hogwarts Express has come to be our Christmas train. And it is actually a Santa train. Santa is on board. There's a queue here. There's not many children who want to see Santa. But this Christmas grotto is a bargain price of
£3.
Yeah. Neale is still here. Talking a bit too much, aren't I, today? Christmas grotto, basically. You go in the grotto and Santa is waiting for you down here. Have you been good, boys and girls? And then we have an ice cream van, just in case you fancy a cold ice cream in the snow. And we have a snacks van, just in case you fancy something a little bit warmer. And we have a small crowd of people because it's snowing and cold, and let's face it, nobody goes out when it's cold, do they? And if it snows, the world shuts off. So there we go. Lakeside does too. And we have a stage again, and just to confuse the kids, there's another Santa. There we go. You can see him with the angels. And the sleigh is on the roof, ready for him to fly back to the North Pole. Right now it's officially dark. We're ready to the countdown. Everybody join in. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! The fireworks too at Lakeside.